Hello and welcome back to Breeze GIS. Today we have a quick tutorial looking at how to create point feature classes within ArcGIS. So right here I have ArcGIS pulled up in a standard base map, and what we're going to be doing today is looking at how we can create points along the map wherever we want and then look at them inside of the attribute table. So in order to do this, we're going to we have two options. We can either go to geoprocessing inside of view, or we can go to analysis and click tools. Either way, we're going to open up the tools menu and we're going to type in create feature class, which I already have typed in there. We're going to create feature class, and it should pop up for us right there under data management tools. And what this allows us to do is create different kinds of features on our map. So we can create polygons, lines, points, multi-points, multi-patches, but today we're just looking at how to create points. So we have our point type selected there for the coordinate system, just whatever our map is. And then I'll just type point 1 for the feature class name. You can name it whatever you would like. And then after that, we're going to press run. Well, I'm going to fix that. I capitalize the O. So right here we have the point 1 layer that we have just created. So we have this a point class right here. And if we open up the attribute table, there is nothing inside. We just have object ID and shape fields. We can add more fields, but there is no data currently inside of our attribute table because we haven't created any points yet. So in order to create points for our point class right here, we're going to go up to Edit and go to the Create Features button. This button allows us to create features for any kind of layer feature layer we create. So we're going to click on points, and then we have a few options here. We have point, we have create a point at the end of the line, or we have create points along the line. And so these are pretty handy for creating points, but we're just going to create some standard points because we have no lines currently on the field to put points on. So we're just going to put some random points around the map. Let's see, Abilene, Killeen, Dallas, Austin. So we've just created some points. And now to open up our attribute table, we can see all of the points we have created. We have 4 different points, and we have 4 different points in the attribute table. Now, in order to add more fields, we can click save. It's always important to save your work, save what you do. We have now saved those 4 points we just created, and we can now go add a field if we want. We can go to the calculate button. Maybe we want to do something like add some lines to it or measure distances between the points, do whatever we want with the points. But now we have created our points. If we want to, we can create more points. We just add as many points as we want. They will always show up in the attribute table. We can save, and now we can see all of the points we've made. And that's pretty simple. The point is the most simple of the create features options. We can do lines on top of this. We can do polygons on top of this. We can do all sorts of things, but this is just simply how to put points on a layer. We can create another class if we want. We can do create feature class. I misspelled that. And I'm entering that in the create features. My bad. I need to go back to the geoprocessing create feature class. We can do like 0.2, except spell it right this time. And we can run that, and then we have another point class that we can create more points for, and we can select this, go up to create, and then we can create points for 0.2, and we can just label them. We can label them maybe a different color, whatever we want to do in the symbology. And now inside of 0.2 we have those points. Inside of 0.1 we have those points, and so that's how you mess around with points. You can do all sorts of stuff on top of that, but that's just simply how you create a point feature layer or a feature class inside of ArcGIS. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye.